If you like to take your JK out on the trail but don't want to risk damaging your factory taillights, then today we're going to be installing these Euro taillight guards from Rugged Ridge onto the back end of our 2012 JK Wrangler. These Euro taillight guards feature a durable steel construction with a gloss black powder coat. They include all the necessary hardware, including the spacers, to get them bolted up on any 2007 to 18 JK Wrangler. Now these are going to protect your taillights and include both the left and right sides in this kit. So let's get them installed in our 2012, show you guys how they look. Alright guys, so the install for these taillight guards is super simple. We're at the passenger side of our Jeep Wrangler. The only tool you're going to need is a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the factory hardware. Let's get that pulled off and I'll show you how to get it done. Now we're going to remove these 4 screws on the taillight. There's 2 up top and then 2 on the bottom. First off, get them pulled off and you won't have to reuse them since the kit comes with brand new hardware. As you can see, this factory hardware has seen its years of abuse. So we're going to get those pulled off so we can get the new ones installed. Now what you'll do is grab the passenger side taillight guard. This is going to have a higher point up at the top here and go down to a smaller area. This is going to fit the contour of your body, match up nicely, and give the maximum protection. So to get this on, what we'll need to do is put a spacer behind here and install the screws into the factory taillight. We're going to do this by grabbing one of the small included screws. This one's going to have the larger head on the outside. Get a spacer behind it. And with the taillight fully seated against the body, get that screw started. With the larger screw installed, there's a spacer behind there. That way this doesn't clamp against the taillight and break the housing. Now we're going to get it started with a small impact here. And we can install the rest. Now on this side, you're going to get the larger Phillips head screw, and on the inside will be the smaller one. Once again, this will get a spacer behind it. Then it'll go into the hole there. Get that one snugged up. For the lower section, it's the exact same process. Small screw on the inside. Start that one, get it tightened up. Now we can go back and get them all snugged up. You don't need to over tighten these. And that's it. Repeat the exact same process on the other side and that'll complete your installation. So the install is wrapped up on these Euro style taillight guards by Rugged Ridge, and they look absolutely awesome on the back end of our JK. Now this is a really great install to do. It takes about 2 minutes and all you need is a Phillips head screwdriver. I highly recommend getting these if you're taking your Jeep out on the trail, want to give it a custom look, or just some extra assurance that your taillight is going to stay safe. You can find these as well as many other taillight guard options right here at tjponyparts.com.